All right, our first example for graphing a parabola when we're given a quadratic equation in factored form. All right, so we know the form is y equals a times x minus p times x minus q. And the a value is the number in front of the two binomials. And since there's no number there, we know that a equals 1. So this is just like the parent graph, except for the vertex is going to be a different location than 0, 0. So now we know that this crosses at -4, 0. So -4, 0. And it crosses at -8, 0. All right. So now, how do we figure out the line of symmetry? Two different ways. So one, visually, if we have the graph here, we can just kind of work our way to the middle and go, oh, my middle is right here. What's that value? Oh, that's the value x equals -6, right? So our axis of symmetry is x equals -6. Now, we could do it mathematically as well without the visual. And what you do is you just take your zeros, you add them up, and then you divide by 2. You find the average of the two zeros is what we're doing. So we're going to say x would equal -4 plus -8 divided by 2. Oh, x equals -12 divided by 2, which is how we got the x equals -6 is our axis of symmetry. All right, so now you should know what are we going to do next in order to find the vertex. That's right, we're going to do what we did with the other ones, right? We're going to substitute the axis of symmetry, x value, into the equation and find the y to get us the ordered pair, which is the vertex. So we're going to substitute -6 in here, so I get y equals -6 plus 4, isn't that going to become -2? Times -6 plus 8, isn't that +2? So we're going to get y equals -4. All right, so what's my vertex? -6, comma, -4. All right, let's plot that point. So we got the -6, now we go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my vertex. All right, let's change the color here. This one's not the best. All right, so now we already have the zeros, so you could actually do a rough sketch of the parabola right now, right? We have both zeros, and if I wasn't real picky about how pretty the parabola was, you could just do a real rough sketch of the parabola right now. But if I want a pretty one, we can still use the a value, right? So I go over 1, I'm going to go up 1 squared, 1. Mirror the other side. If I go over 2, we already have it. I go up 4, look what happened. I went up 4, I'm at the 0, either way. All right, if I go over 3, I go up 3 squared is 9. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is. Other side, mirror it. There it is. There's my pretty parabola. I could draw the curve and have it. All right.